Hi, Joan Price for Lion's Den. I'm answering a really good question that you sent me. When is the best time for sex? 4:38 p.m. on alternate Wednesdays when a full moon is predict. Kidding. But there actually is an answer. It's not an exact time, but it's how you figure that out for yourself. There are a few things that you can set up to make sex work better at a certain time of day. For one, it should be a time when you are energetic, not tired, so not late at night. A lot of people say, oh, well, my spouse doesn't want to have sex. She's sleeping. Uh, yeah, we're all sleepy. Don't try to have sex when you're sleepy. Try to have sex when you're alert. So that's probably going to be daytime, not nighttime. And it should not be following a meal, no matter how romantic that meal might be. And here's why. As we age, that natural blood flow that fuels our erections, whether our clitoris or our penis, is slowed down, and we have to sort of coax it to speed up. If we have just eaten, that blood flow is going to the digestive system, and it has no use for our genitals. So we want to eat before a meal, not after. Cool. But we can do something before sex that will help rev that blood flow up, and that is to exercise. You don't have to go to the gym and get sweaty for an hour, although if you like that, go ahead. It might be just a walk in the park or dancing in your living room, whatever it is you like that increases your breathing some and that you can sustain and that you enjoy doing, gets you in touch with your physicality, as well as speeding up the blood flow, not just to the muscles, not just to the brain, but also to the genitals. There is something else you can do. You can figure out your tingle time. Now, I made up that term, so don't bother Googling it. I'll tell you what I mean by that. There is a certain time of day, and it's individual for all of us, that we feel particularly arousable, responsive, open to sex. It might be when you first wake up. It might be after a few cups of coffee. Might be after you exercise. It might be after an afternoon nap. This is different for everyone, but I think you'll find if you track it, track the tingle, I call it, that there is a time of day for you that is your personal tingle time, that you feel, the tingle. I could enjoy having sex right now. So the way to figure that out for yourself is to take a few days where you just track it. You track the tingle. You ask yourself every so often, would I enjoy sex right now? It might not be possible, but would I enjoy it if it were? Do I feel like I could be easily aroused right now? I would guess that if you do this for a few days in a row, that you will find there is a certain time of day that is your tingle time and that you are most arousable. So plan sex for that time. So when you're well rested, after exercise, before a meal, and during your tingle time. Enjoy.